This is one of my favorite buildings in all of Buffalo. It's impossible to miss and easy to take for granted. This complex opened in the late 1800s, designed by architect Henry Hobson Richardson. At the time, it wasn't just a building, it was an idea. The idea was that light, air, and beauty could heal, that architecture could play a role in care, that the spaces we move through shape how we feel. This was built as a place for treatment, not confinement. Patients had windows, views, room to breathe. That way of thinking was radical for its time. Most people who passed through here weren't thinking about architecture. They were just living their days, and the building was meant to meet them where they were. Today, people pass this place on their way somewhere else. It stands quietly, solid, unmoving. It can look heavy, permanent, but it was built with a kind of optimism, with the belief that environment matters, that people deserve dignity, even when they're struggling. I think that's why it stays with me, not because of how large it is, but because of what it hoped to be. Thank you for taking a step with me.